Think of your CPU as the master chef of your computer. It handles complex, logical tasks one at a time, but with insane speed. Your GPU, on the other hand, isn't a single chef, it's an army of thousands of junior cooks. It can't cook a complex 5-course meal, but if you need to chop 10,000 onions at the exact same time, like rendering millions of pixels on a screen, the GPU wins every single time. But how fast can these chefs actually move? That's your clock speed, measured in gigahertz. 1 gigahertz means the processor can execute 1 billion calculations per second. If a CPU has a clock speed of 4.0 gigahertz, that master chef is making 4 billion decisions every single second. Higher clock speed means snappier performance in apps and video games. Now, what if you're renting a kitchen in the cloud? That's where vCPUs, or virtual CPUs, come in. A vCPU isn't a physical chip you can touch. Cloud providers like AWS or Google Cloud take one massive physical CPU and use software to carve it up into smaller, digital, slices. When you buy a cloud server with 2 vCPUs, you're essentially renting a dedicated time slot on 2 physical processing threads. So, to wrap it up, the CPU thinks, the GPU renders, clock speed is how fast they do it, and a vCPU is just a slice of that power rented in the cloud. Match the right tool to your project, and your system will fly.